สวัสดีครับท่านผู้ชมครับอาจารย์นิรันดรนะครับผมวันนี้ตอนวันที่30ตุลาคม2561นะครับ Hello everybody today I would like to review the my indicator the robot from MT2IQ. Okay, let's see. My indicator is WOW Scalper Signal. Okay, you can see the profit here. Okay, like this, and then I show you real time the software MT2IQ with my indicator like this. How to configure it? I use 19. Okay, 19 currency pair. Try this. MT2 connected. Okay, you can put my indicator here. Okay, this one expiry time you can put 0. It means when the signal arrow up, the robot MT2IQ call immediately. Okay, like this. Okay, so if you need the I use martingale on next signal like this, and martingale step is 7. Okay, you can put here. Martingale coefficient I use 2.4. Okay, like this, and then you put okay, and this is my signal. Okay, my signal. Oh, this is the option. This name. Okay, WOW. You can save like this. Okay, I save like this. Here, what this mean? Okay, you see, 7-step martingale call 2.4 next signal like this. Okay, like this. Okay, let's see about the currency. You can right click and send to chart, and like this, and use the time frame 1 minute and open load template like this. Okay, and open collect. Okay, like this. Okay, this one I have. Okay, close. Okay, see, and then in the public source provider I start here. Okay, like this, and collect. It show you like this. This is the martingale, you see, here vertical here. Okay. Amount $1. You start. Okay, $1. Okay, so okay. If you have if you need contact me, you can contact me at my email or line ID or see in this indicator on MQL file here. Okay, like this. Okay, today I show you like this. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye. Good luck.